Whichit for Advertisers tutorials, how to create a survey. Welcome to the Whichit for Advertisers tutorial videos channel. Let's learn how to create a survey. The Whichit survey replaces the traditional surveys with a visual interactive widget. Choose any Engage card once you've completed a survey and create personalized incentives for your audience. Start by clicking on the Create New button in the Creative Library and then click on Survey. Now choose which creative posts to include in your survey. If you haven't created any widget posts yet, you'll need to create them first. Just click on Create New, select a minimum 2 single posts, and when you're ready, click on OK. You can manage the creatives to include in your survey by rearranging the order of the posts, adding more from the Creative Library, or by simply creating new ones. You don't like a post? Remove it by clicking on the bin. Great. Now select what type of Engage card you want to create for your survey. In previous tutorials, we've explained how to create the redirect and coupon Engage cards. So let's pick the subscription Engage card for this example. Please note that any Engage cards attached to the single widget posts you've created are going to be replaced by this Engage card that wraps the survey. Continue by filling in the information your audience is going to see before and after they subscribe to your offer. Enter the link of your Terms and Conditions page and include the consent fields relevant to your offer so you can maintain your protection compliance. You can also give your offer a nice background cover with an image or logo from your computer files, Instagram account, or our free Realtor library. Great! Your very first widget survey is ready. Review all the details and submit. The survey is now ready in your Creative Library under Surveys. Thank you for watching.